Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to earn free PayPal money in 2023. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. Guys, if you're new to my channel, also don't forget to like this video, to comment down below if you have any question, and also don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Guys, in order to earn free PayPal money, actually you need to have a PayPal account, which you need to have to go to paypal.com and sign up for free account. It's easy, and it's easier just to sign up. Just click how it says sign up for free. As you can see, it's for free. PayPal is worldwide, guys. You can get paid in everywhere using PayPal. If you have PayPal account, it's easy. I'm using it for a long time and it's good. I never regret using it. So just make sure you create a free account on PayPal, which you just go here. You just put your names, your surname and email address, then you're good to go. Just make sure it's personal account. Go to continue with everything that you ask you, then you're good to go. Once you have your PayPal account and you're done with everything, then go to this website. The website number one that we're gonna start today is called gain.gg. This gain.gg is also a website which you earn money through completing tasks, and you earn. As you can see, how does it work? So let's see how does it work. Let's say, excuse me. Okay. As you can see, this website first has been paid for more than 1 billion members, and also they have a total of 295,717 users members, and also tasks that have been completed is close to 3,600,084 and 552. As you can see, a huge withdrawal selection. You can use people, which is one that I told you guys, and also you can use a cryptocurrencies wallet. You can use a cryptocurrency wallet, and also Tremondas. And also here you can also win a gift card, guys. And so also this is a trusted offer was from Timo, Yosoviz, all these big brands. They trust this site, so this is legit, guys. So just go and test it for yourself. If it will work for you, then you're good to go. But I'm sure this thing, it works 100%. If you have money, if you have completed text and you have money, just come here, say with the go and with the total PayPal account straight on. Then let's say get rewarded for watching videos and completing tasks, which is you can also earn a free Bitcoin inside here. So what you have to do is go and sign in or sign up here. You can sign up using your Gmail account or using your Facebook account, whatever that you'll be comfortable with using. The website number 2, guys, it's called shilling.me. Shilling.me also, it is similar to the previous one that I've been talking right now here. It's a similar also. So here what you have to do, here you can see a payment proof for people that have been saying. As you can see here, people have been earning here. People have been earning people. As you can see here, down here, people have been earning good money. This one 5, this one 18, 6, 5 US, 7 US. All of them, they've been using PayPal. Some of them PayTime, Payer. But I prefer using PayPal account, because PayPal account is easy. It's very, very easy. That's why I like a PayPal account. So just go and create a PayPal account and go. That free money with PayPal account. As you can see, transaction, people have been cashing out all these. This is the payment proof, guys. So this is a legit website that I'm showing you guys. As you know, in this channel, I don't just talk, but I show you guys the legit one, the legit ways to make money online, guys. But guys, if you're interested in really making money, I will leave the link in the description below. Just go and sign up if you are really to start your online business. Yes, I know this watching videos, It might be boring to some of you guys because you're not gonna earn a lot of money, but yes, it's, at least it's something. If you're doing something, it's cool. So yeah, you can just go and try these guys. So, and also so here also you enter it's similar to the previous one, as I said. So let's go home here and see. So here, as you can see, earn money, highest paying URL shorter journal and earn up to 220. So this one, guys, you just take a link, you short a link. If you have you just short a link, and once you short the link, let me say you have an affiliate link, a bigger one. Once you do that, you short that link, then you earn money. Simple as that. Yes, you can go and try and see how it works for yourself, then you're good to go. And also they said, how can you start making money with the sharing.io? It is just 3 steps. Create an account, create a link, and post it. For every visit you earn money. It is just that as easy. So this is how you make money, guys. You just short a link, you create an account, you short that link. Once you short and you share with your friend, it's like an affiliate. If you share with your friend, and that friend of yours that's come and visit that link, you earn money. They said 20% referral bonus. So the shlinkme.io referral program is a great way to spread the word of it is great service, and to earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends and receive 20% of their earning for life. So wherever any friend that you bring in, you earn 20% of your refer that you refer. So it's like affiliate marketing. You short a link and you share with your friend, and if someone visits this site, you earn money. Simple. But this is how this site works. It's not like this one that I was talking, but you earn through completing surveys. No, this one you earn through you make money by just shortening links, which is affiliate link. So by sharing with a friend. The last one that I will share with you guys is this one. It's called yazing.com. Yazing.com is let me say it's a software which it brings a lot of brands inside. So they said, get paid for every purchase you make an influencer online. So there's a lot of brand inside here in this site, guys. A lot of them. So you can just go and sign up to them and get a link. And if you share a link with your friend, you earn money as well. So it's similar also to the previous one, but I like this because there's a lot of brands inside. You can just choose what niche you earn. Then if someone just come, and once you choose a niche that you are in and share with your friend or your audience, then you are good to go. Let's see how you can get paid. Let's say you can get paid to shop. Yazing pays you cashback reward for everything you buy online, and it provides the currency deals and the coupon codes for the top brands and stores. And also you can get paid to promote. Yazing also pays you cash rewards when you promote any brands, deals, and coupon pages with others, and your influence generated sales. Also get paid fast. Yazing sends you money directly to your PayPal account as soon as we paid by the brands and stores. No minimum, no cost. You see, guys, how it works. So there's a lot of brands inside here. Once you have to do is you go to sign up. You put your email address, your everything, and once you log in inside there, you start choosing the brands that are in. You choose and you ask for affiliate link and you share with your friend, and you're good to go. This is how things work, guys. I I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video gives value, guys, please make sure you like this video, comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget also to subscribe, guys. And if you have any question, I will be able I'll be happy to answer all the questions that you guys will be having there. So yeah, so that's how things work. Just make sure you go and sign up, guys. This is my network. I wanted to show you on how to do that, but my network, I think, is slow. But things are easy. You just go and sign up and start making money. You start making money. Just simple as that. So yeah, this is a tutorial that I prepared, guys. If you see the method that are not working, guys, I'll leave the link to the collect one that you can start making money as soon as possible. These ones, yeah, you can start making money like for watching videos. Like the first one that I showed you, it's easy as well. You can start making money by watching videos. Then also if you want to learn more about start making money online in the right way, just click the first link in the description below. It will show you everything. So guys, I hope you understand everything. Make sure you go and join this yazing.com and choose a brand that you are interested in to promote and share with your friend, and you are good to go. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again in the next video. So bye bye, guys.